Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw your money from the Bitget app to your bank account. So if you have funds in your wallet, or maybe you took a trade and then you made profit, or maybe you won an airdrop on Bitget and you want to withdraw your money to your bank account, I'll show you everything and how to do it in this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important information. And if you are new here, my name is Femelani. I'm a crypto trader and I make videos on crypto, personal finance, and how to make money. So if you love content like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you. Now, straight to the point, how to withdraw from Bitget to your bank account. The first thing you want to do is that make sure you have your funds in your funding wallet. That is the funds you want to withdraw. Then make sure you have it in your funding wallet. How do you do that? Come right here to where you have asset at the bottom side of the screen and to take you to your wallet page. So let's say, for example, the funds you want to withdraw is your DOGS token. Let's say you have some DOGS token you want to withdraw. Maybe you want to sell it and withdraw the money to your bank account. You can see right here I have some DOGS token right here and it is my spot wallet. So if I go to spot at the top of the screen, you can see my DOGS token is in my spot wallet. Now the first thing you want to do is to convert that DOGS token to USDT or sell it on the spot trading page. So is that you convert it or sell it. So to sell it, come right here to where you have trade, click on trade right here, and then you make sure that it's on spot, make sure that it's on spot trading, and then make sure you have DOGS/USDT right here. So let's say it's another cryptocurrency, let's say it's like BTC. Just come right here to where you have this drop down arrow, click on it and search for BTC/USDT. It will bring it out for you. So this is it, the first one, BTC/USDT, and click on it. But for this video, it is my DOGS token I want to sell, so that's it. So make sure that it is the cryptocurrency that is there. So it must be DOGS/USDT. If it's BTC, it must be BTC/USDT. I hope you understand. So once you've done that, click on sell, because we want to sell the DOGS token. We want to sell it so we can get USDT. Click on sell right there and make sure that this order is on market. So if you click it, you have different types of order types. Make sure that it's on market. Make sure that it is market. The next thing is to enter the amount of DOGS token you want to sell. If you want to sell everything, just click on 100% right here. Make sure it's on 100%. Click on everything and then click on sell DOGS. So you click on sell DOGS right there, and at the bottom side of the screen, click on confirm. You can see successful. So if I go to my wallet right there, I won't have my DOGS token again. So you can see the DOGS token I've left. So I only have my USDT now. Now remember that I said you must have the funds in your funding wallet, but the USDT is still in our spot wallet. So the next thing is to transfer the USDT from your spot wallet to your funding wallet. So you click on transfer right here, and then you can see from USDT and futures to spot, but that's not what we want to do. What we want to do is from spot to funding wallet. So click on this interchange icon right here, click on it. It will change to from spot to USDT futures. So we just change this USDT futures to funding. To change it, click on this drop down arrow and click on funding account. So once you do that, you can see we are transferring from our spot wallet to our funding wallet. The next thing is to pick the crypto you want to transfer. So it is USDT you want to transfer. Click on this drop down arrow and click on USDT. And then right here, enter the amount you want to transfer. So let's say, for example, I want to transfer $200. So if that's the amount you want to sell or withdraw, enter the amount right there. Make sure it is $200 or the amount you want to withdraw. If it's that it is $50 you have in your wallet and you want to withdraw it, enter the amount right there. So for me, let's say it's $200 I want to transfer. I'll just enter $200 right there and click on confirm. So you can see funds transferred. So let's check the funding wallet. So come to funding at the top right here, and then you can, let me open it. So you can see we have our 200 USDT right here. Now the next thing is to go to the P2P page to sell it. Now to sell it, you can come from this funding wallet and click on buy or sell. Now once you get to this buy or sell, click on P2P right here, and right here you can go ahead and sell it. Now the first thing you want to do when you get to the P2P page right here is that where you have this NGN, make sure that it is in your local currency. So for me, I'm from Nigeria, that's why it is in NGN, Naira. So if you're from another country, just click right there and look for your local currency right here. So make sure it is in your local currency. If you're from Nigeria, make sure it is in NGN, very important. Once you've done that, come right here and click on sell, because you are selling. So you want to sell your USDT to get Naira in your account. That's the meaning. So click on sell, and right here, make sure it is on USDT. That's the crypto you want to sell. Make sure it's on USDT. And right here where you have limit, click on it and enter the amount you want to get. So to enter the amount right here, let's say it's the $200 I want to withdraw. So what you can just do is just multiply that 200 by the common rate right there. So the common rate out there is like 1640. So we can just calculate $200 times 1640 right there. That's like 328,000 naira. So I'll just come right here to this limit and enter about 300,000 naira. The reason why you are entering this 300,000 naira is that Bitget will bring out people who can buy from you around this range. So people who can buy 300,000 naira worth of USDT from you. That's the meaning. And click on confirm right here. Now after you've done that, click on method right here and click on bank transfer, because for Nigerians it's always bank transfer. And then for this merchant, if you want to trade it with a merchant, I would advise to trade with a merchant if you're a beginner. Click on merchant right there. So it will bring out to you people who are verified by Bitget. So once you've done that, it means that all of the people you are seeing right here are people who are verified by Bitget and people who can buy USDT worth of 300,000 naira from you. That's the meaning. So you can see for this first person right here, this person's username is Let's Trade, and you can see this person is verified. Now this person's rate is 1,643. So if you are selling to this person, you are selling at the rate of 1,643. And then you can see the limit is 300,000 naira to 3 million naira. That's the range at which the person can buy from you. And don't forget, my own when I calculated it was like 320 something thousand naira. So that means that the person can still buy that amount from me, between 300,000 to 3 million. And then if you look at the number of orders this person has done in the last 30 days, this person has done 1,294 orders in the last 30 days. And the percentage where you have 96%, this means that this person has completed 96% of all the orders, which is very good. So you have to check all of these details before you pick someone to trade. So make sure you pick someone who has a very high percentage of completion rate. You can see this second person right here has completed 99% of all his orders in the last 30 days, and he has done 2,192 orders. So you go straight and check out whoever you want to trade with. So for me, let's say I want to trade with this first person right here. I'll just click on sell. Now on the screen, it's going to show you add at least one payment method to proceed. Now this is for those people that have not added a bank account. So you need to add your bank account details before you can do this. So I needed to do this so I can show you how to add your bank account. So to add your bank account, just click on go to settings, and then you can see payment method. There's nothing showing. So at the bottom side of the screen, just click on add. And then click on bank transfer, and then enter your bank name right here. So I will enter my bank name. I won't be showing you all the details. And then right here where you have bank account number, enter your bank account number right here. And then once you've entered your bank account number, if you want to enter the bank branch, it's not compulsory, but you can enter it. And if you want to enter card number, all of these two things are not necessary. You don't need them. The main thing you need is your name, your bank name, and your bank account number. Those three things must be correct and they must be there. Please make sure you confirm it 2 times or 3 times before you click on confirm. Make sure that they are correct. Your name is correct, the bank name is correct, and then the account number is correct, please. So once you've done that, click on confirm at the bottom side of the screen. So you have to enter 3 things right here. Your fund code. Your fund code is like a code used for your transactions. You enter your email verification code. You send they'll send the code to your email, and you enter your Google Authenticator code. So you enter all of these 3 codes and move on to the next step. So I've done the verification, and you can see that my bank details have been added. So once you've done that, go back to the page and let's trade again. So to pick the person again, just come right here and click on sell again. So you can see all of my details are still here. The 300,000 are here, bank transfer is here, and I've picked merchant. So just click on sell again right here. Once you click on sell, there are 2 ways you can enter the amount you want to get. So click on crypto or fiat. So if you want to collect your money in fiat, you can see minimum of 300,000 naira. And if you want to put the amount in crypto, is minimum of $182.5. So I want to use fiat right here. So for fiat, let's say I want to collect, let's say 325,000 naira. And then in USDT or in dollars, that's about 197 USDT. And don't forget, I transferred $200 to my wallet. So I'm withdrawing $197. And in naira, that is 325,000 naira. And then make sure that your bank details are here. So once you've seen your bank details, at the bottom side of the screen, click on sell USDT with 0 fees. So you can see order generated pending payment. You should receive funds within 14 minutes 49 seconds. So within 15 minutes you should get your payment. So and in case you want to contact the person, maybe the person is taking time to make payment, just click on contact right here. And then right here you can be able to chat with the person. So you can see right here the person says, please drop an active phone number even if you are online, otherwise no payment. There are some people like that, they will ask you to drop your phone number before they can make payment. So I just go in right there and put in my number. So I've just replied the person with my phone number right there. So you can just be waiting for the person to make payment. Now, while we are waiting for the person to make payment, another thing I want to say is that if the person does not make payment or the person has not made payment, nothing is wrong with your crypto. Your crypto is still safe. So it's not as if maybe the person will not make payment and your crypto is not safe. No, your crypto is still safe. In as much as the person has not made payment, your crypto is safe. So as you can see on the screen right here, it says to be released. It means that the person has made payment. So you can say log into the receiving account below and confirm the payment has been received. So what you want to do is go to your bank app or your bank account, ensure that you've received the amount of money, the exact amount of money, and then just come right here and click on release. And then if you have confirmed the payment, click right here and click on confirm at the bottom side of the screen, and then enter your fund code right here. So you can see I've entered the funding code and it says completed, successfully sold 197.7 USDT. So right there is a simple way to sell your crypto and withdraw your money to your bank account on the Bitget app. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. In case you want to learn how to make money with trading bots on Bitget, I have videos on that. You can click the video showing on your screen right now. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in another video. Bye.